I'm going to give a little bit of information about the coil twisting fixture which I had worked in my previous department, which was in EDT. Basically, the coil twisting fixture, it was an like an order from Nagnathpura for EDT to do a fixture for their manufacturing purpose, and it was like it was an order from 3 months ago, and still the order is in progress. And I'm working for nearly like around 1 month in this project, so I'm halfway through it, and I'm going to present what are the things like done until at present, and what are the things which are to be continued and which is still going on. Like introduction, coil twisting fixture. It was designed to twist the coil present in the armature to the required specification. Like the armature was used in many applications such as like starters and alternators and other thing. In this armature, it was supposed to be there were 2 copper wires which were supposed to be twisted in 2 different directions, and that too in 2 different angles. So that was the main specification. I'll like explain about the specs in the next coming slides. And it was designed by ED2 department, and the group leader was Mr. Kulkarni GA, who was undertaking the things, and the customer was started an alternators in NHP. The necessity for the preparation of this fixture was like it was a pretty complex operation, which was very difficult to do manually. So, and the another one was it was time consuming, which was taking a lot of time for that for manually to do it. And the required specification was also very difficult to be met because it was in 2 different directions, the movement of the wires, and that was also for 2 different angles. So these were the necessities for the coil twisting fixture. This was the this is the 2D diagram of the coil twisting fixture. It's just an overview. There are a lot of things which are not completed. Like there's a roller ring over there which helps in the movement of the. It's just a depiction over there. No track roller, so it's just a depiction that was not fully done, and there are a lot of other things which are not completed. So I'll just show you the 3D diagrams of this. This was the 3D diagram of the coil twisting fixture. This is the coil over there. You will find these 2 cylinders with these 2 pistons with the cylinder will push it and keep this armature in its position. And these are the 2 cylinders which provide the motions to the 2 cylinders which provide motion to this part, so that this will push the cylinder in this direction with certain force, so that it gives the angle of twist to this armature over there. This was also supposed to move with the direction, so that it gives the twist to it. This is the upper part of the fixture, which helps to keep the armature in its place intact, and it will push it down. This cylinder, actually there's a piston missing over here. This cylinder will push it and keep it intact. By coming into the upper part, like this is one of the pretty complex designs which was made by Mr. Kulkarni, and actually I was also with him accompanying that. Here you can find a lot of slots over here. In between these slots, we used to keep a pin which gives the twist to the coils present in it. So as you look into the last picture, this piston and cylinder will give the motion. This motion in turn is given over here with the slots over there. With the help of the pin, we will give the piston motion to it, and these are the parts, like the exploded or the parts used in it. So These are just the depiction of it. And one of the key design features in this feature was design of cam to get the lift and rotation at the same time with very less angle of rotation. It's still in process. It is not yet completed due to lot of constraints in it and lot of other things. Still, it is in the process, and I hope it will get finished as fast as possible. Thank you. Any questions?